As you can tell, I woke up this morning and it was a little bit colder in my apartment than what I had expected, especially since I'm used to the summer weather and having the temperature be above 90 degrees. I forgot about the temperature drop at night, and I had all of my windows open in most of my apartment, and it was pretty cold in here, so I've got my jacket on to keep me nice and warm. A bright green jacket. So I look like a giant lime. But anyways, today we're going to be talking about this drawing I did about a month ago. I will be uploading this as a time-lapse video, but I just wanted to show you the drawing and talk about what I had created. And this drawing was actually done on a toothpaste box. I came home one day and I was just didn't know what to draw, and I had to pick up some toothpaste, and so after that I was going to throw the box away, and so I just used scissors and I cut it out, and then I got myself a Sharpie here, and I just started doodling away, and this is what I ended up creating, and I have no idea what most of it even is. You can take a look at it and tell me what you see in this drawing. But when I look at the drawing, I see some kind of guy with a face. There's like some hovering boat here. There's a landscape. And then on the sides, I filled in those areas with completely random stuff as well. And then I think that's like mechanical. And then there's stippling everywhere. It kind of looks like what are those, like kind of like a comic book in a way, where like each part of it transitions from a certain scene to another scene, and that's kind of the idea I had in mind. But then I just kind of went random with everything and started drawing stuff all over. And then let's see, what else do I have in here? I think it looks like the sun. There's like organic looking things as usual, and clouds. And then, oh, there's a big toaster here. There's a big toaster for your toast. And then this person that I drew here, they look really sad. I don't know. Maybe that is like, that looks like the one character from Goosebumps, I think. When did Goosebumps come out? Was that like the 80s or something? I think that was before I was born. Or was it the early 90s? I don't know. And then, let's see. There is another, what looks like a sun there. And then there is some mountains. And then some water. And then there's like I don't know, just random circles all over the place. And I notice I tend to draw these like interlacing long lines like these here. I tend to draw that a lot in most of my drawings. I think it looks kind of like if you have a bunch of rubber bands, like a rubber band ball, and you like put it together and it's all like interwoven. And yeah. But lots of random things in it. This drawing took me maybe, hour and a half to draw. It didn't take any longer than that, but I know it took a little bit more than an hour to do. But yeah, this is what I do sometimes when I don't know what to draw or what to even draw on. I'll just like take something that I've going to throw away, like a cereal box, or this, for example, a toothpaste box. And I just start doodling random things on it, and this is what I create. But, yeah. Could I improve? I've got a long ways to go. But, I try not to compare myself to what other people create. You can look up to what other people are doing, but, I prefer to just compare myself to what I'm doing and how I'm doing things, and to just try to be better than what I was yesterday. But sometimes I just like to be completely random and creative and doodle on random things like toothpaste boxes. But yeah. So I do have, I believe, a cereal box, shredded wheat, and then an oatmeal container that I'm going to draw on. And then I'll time lapse that, and I'll talk about that for a video in the future. But today actually happens to be my 29th birthday, and a lot has happened in life. Well, I don't really know where to start when it comes to talking about that, because I have entire videos talking about overcoming things and what I've dealt with, and as an artist and all that. But yeah, I turned 29 today, and I don't feel like I'm 29. I feel a lot younger. Although some days, depending on how sore I am from lifting, or other reasons, I feel a lot older. But I'm surprised by how much time has passed since graduating high school 11 years ago already. It went by quick, and I'm hoping the next 10 years don't go by that fast, because if they do, before I know it, I'm going to be 80 years old. And then I'll be looking back and saying, well, I remember back in my day when we had to draw with pens. I don't think that'll ever go out of style. Although digital art is getting more popular as time goes on. But yeah, I turned 29 today. And I look forward to all these things that I can create for my channel and to all my subscribers and everybody that watches. And I just try to keep getting better, but along the way, have fun, and just I try to be happy with what I've got and what I can create with the skills that I have. So it's I guess for some people it's another day for their birthday, and they get to a point where they just don't want to celebrate it no more, because it's just another year, another day. But yeah, I'll talk more about my life experiences and birthdays and everything in another video. But for now, I'm gonna go eat breakfast, because I just woke up not too long ago, and I'm hungry, and I've got things to do today. So anyways, until then, I will see you in the next video, and you have fun doodling, and go ahead and let me know what you think of this random doodle on a toothpaste box. And I guess happy birthday to myself, and I hope any of you out there that have a birthday coming up soon, happy birthday to you too as well. And I'll see you in the next video, and you have a good day. See you later.